Hey guys, so in this video, I want to talk about the four streams of income. What are the differences of each and what income class should you be on so that you can get passive income for life? It's never a debate on what's the best investment. It's all about putting different asset classes that will work for you, because what will work for you may not necessarily work for me. You also need to figure out where you are in the grand scheme of things. Knowing what income do you have right now will spell the difference on how you will make money moving forward and what you will do based on what's currently happening right now. So the first type of income is you work 8 hours, you get paid for the 8 hours that you put in. You put 10 hours, you get paid 8 hours plus the overtime that you will get. It's basically flat. This type of linear income, the only reason you do it is number one, you're enjoying that type of income. You're enjoying that work that you're doing. If you're happy with that and that's enough also to take care of your needs, by all means do that. But the limit with that is it caps you. You cannot go higher, you cannot go further. That if you want to earn more, you will be capped. It's not something that you can carry over up until you're 70, because you cannot work 8 hours, 12 hours, 14 hours if you're 80 years old already. It's not something that is normal. Number two, you are paid for the amount of output that you produce, the amount of value that you give. This could be doctors. A doctor could work for an hour, but if he meets a lot of patients, he will earn more than the person who is paid by the hour naman. So again, if you are paid via value, you will earn massively, especially if you're good at what you do. This can be basketball players, this could be movie actors. If your output is good, if your value is good, if your niche is very good, your branding is very, very good, you can earn a lot. And the better you are at what you do, sometimes it will just take a small amount of time for you to earn a very, very large amount. That's why you will see a lot of doctors in their 60s, 70s still do what they do, because number one, they love it. They just have to work a few hours a day for them to be able to get this massive amounts of income already. That's why lawyers can also do it, because it's skill-based, or whatever skill set you have in the game is what's going to provide money for you. So the more value you give, the more income you get, the more niche you are, the more premium you get as well. The third is you develop some sort of system that will work for you. That it's not just anymore skills based already. It's not just anymore you working for your time or you leveraging how good you are, but it's you building something off the systems that you have created. So if you are a lawyer, you make money based on the retainers that you have, based on the cases that you have. To be able to build a system, it's you building your own law firm, meaning you're leveraging other lawyers' skills for you to be able to make money. It's not just about something that's skill-based. It can be you start something online, you sell something in Shopee that will allow you to have a mechanism that even if you're not there, the products or the services that you have will also make money for you. So tons of things that you can do off of it, even though it's not just leverage on how good you are as a skill-based person, but it's you already leveraging other people. So when you are in this third type of income, you most likely will be hiring other people who will do the work for you, and the income that you will get will be based also on the income, on the sales that whoever you're hiring will generate for you as well. Paano yun? If I'm such a good painter, why will I hire other people? Better to have 10 people working at 70% capacity than you by yourself working at 100% capacity, because you doing it by yourself, it's 1 times 100, it's only 100, but 10 times 70, it's 700. So they might not be better than you, but because they're more, it's leverage. They can give you a larger output than what you can do by your own and by your own strength as well. So you can be a linear employee earning money from your time. Then you can also have your own systems put together. You can also be skills-based earner as well, and you can try to segment them all together. And number four is this is just pure investments, meaning you're making money off investments. It's your investments that are helping you grow your money already. So this can be stocks, this can be bonds, this can be REITs, this can be property investing, combination of MP2s already, anything that will give you passive income for life. And this is for me amazing, because what people demonize about investing in the stock market, it has the ability to go down. But here's the thing, if what you get in the stock market and you're just looking at it from an investment perspective, you're looking at it as an asset perspective, and you still have your systems working for you and you still have your skill-based income coming from you as well, you can use those other businesses to fund your investments. Then later on, the more you put into it, the greater it will be. So the way I would segment it is this. Number one, if you're trading your time for money, it will take a lot of time from you, but you won't be able to earn as much unless you really become a high rank employee. Then number two, skill-based. This is something that won't require a lot of your time. At the start, it will, because you're building your skill. But if you become the greatest in the game, a small amount of time will get a lot of income for you already, and you don't have to work as much already. If you are in the upper 20%, you will earn 80% of what's there in the market. And that goes for everything else. In business naman, at the start, it will take a lot of time for you to set up. But once it's set up, it's done already. It will be a perpetual motion for you of you making money as well. And lastly, investments. That's purely money making money for you as well. So there, I hope this gave you insight on what are the types of income. I know this is for people who are a bit basic already, who don't know the 4 types yet. My favorite always is investments. I always love investing. I always love money working hard for me, because at the end of the day, if you let money work hard while you're sleeping, when you get old, that money will continue to grow and grow and grow and grow and grow and grow and grow for you. If you love your job and you still like the skill-based income that you're doing, do that. But my suggestion is try to put as much as you can in investments, because the beauty about investments is you can do it while you're also employed. You can do it also while you're doing your skill-based income. You can do it also while you're doing business as well. If you're asking me, you can be rich from all 4 segments. It's not true also that you cannot be rich as an employee. It's not true also that you cannot be rich being someone earning from your skill. You just have to be good. So the key here is you build your skills. The key here is you build your competency, because if you are good as an employee, you're good as a skill-based professional, you are good as a business person, you're good as an investor, you will always win. I guess that's it. I hope that this added value to you. I hope this is something that helped you. I hope this is something that proved to be educational and informational, and something that gave you a dose also of insight for the day as well. Because I've been getting a lot of messages from you that you always watch the videos every day, that it's part of your daily routine. It's part of my daily routine also to make video. I cannot imagine my day not making videos. I guess it's part of who I am already. What I realized is I love communicating. I love sharing my thoughts. I love sharing my ideas. That this is something that I know that I guess I'm called to do. People are called to do certain things. And for me, it's not just about trading the markets, but it's also sharing the journey to others. It's me sharing my thoughts, my ideas to all of you guys, to people who appreciate it and to people who hunger for learning as well. Because I really believe that we are still in one of the greatest times to be alive. We are still in one of the greatest times to make money, to be an investor, to win. Please remember, you do not have to put people down to go up. If you're up already, just continue to pull people up, lift other people up. And the reason why I create videos like this, because I want you guys to win, but not just win and make money. I want you guys that when you win and make money, you have the proper attitude, you have the proper mindset that money won't destroy you, money won't make you arrogant. I hope that if this is something that's beneficial to all of you guys, that you guys share this also to a lot of people, that you guys share what you know, that you guys be an impact to the world around you, you guys be an impact to your family, that it doesn't just stay with you, that you become an impact for good. I guess that's it for now. Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and please like this channel and this video as well. Bye everyone.